Gondor Tomato Ketchup Production Line. Bubble high-pressure dual-effect cleaning, low rate of epidermal damage, smoothly transport of tomatoes. Crush the tomatoes evenly. Boost the preheating pulping efficiency. Effectively protects color and flavor. Realize that separation of pulp and skin cease. High pulp yield reduces waste. Mix precisely according to the formula. Condensed to target bricks. Better retain color and fragrance. Precision filling and sealing. Less material waste. Multiple jam solutions. Factory panoramic view. Workshop. Exhibition hall 5,000 square meters. Packaging shipping